You start with full motivation, full energy, full discipline, and then suddenly everything disappears. And stay till the end because I'll tell you how to fix this and make motivation last longer. The scary truth is, your brain is designed to lose motivation. When you start something new, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical of excitement and reward. That's why day one feels powerful. But here's the twist. Your brain gets bored very fast. Once the activity becomes familiar, dopamine drops, and your brain thinks, this is not exciting anymore. So you feel lazy, distracted, and confused, even though you still want the result. And here is something nobody tells you. Your brain is not built for long-term goals. It is built for short-term survival and pleasure. That's why scrolling feels easier than studying, and comfort feels better than discipline. Another hidden reason is identity conflict. When you start improving, your brain fights back because it wants to protect your old identity. Deep inside, your brain whispers, this is not who you are, so it slowly pulls you back to your old habits. That's why most people quit gym, studying, business, or content creation after a few weeks, not because they are weak, but because their brain is resisting change. Here is the solution. Stop depending on motivation and start building systems. Make your habits so small that your brain can't refuse them. Change your identity by saying, I am a disciplined person, not I want to be disciplined. And most importantly, use delayed rewards. Reward yourself only after doing the hard work, so your brain learns that effort equals pleasure. Motivation fades, but identity and systems last forever.